What is up, my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're filming a Draculaura makeup tutorial, Monster High. I've been wanting to do this for a long time actually, for years. Just haven't got around to doing it. But yeah, I got like a few requests this year to do some Draculaura characters after I reviewed their latest Dracula Monster High doll. You guys hear any coughing in the background? It's my little chihuahua right here. He has asthma and he's really old, so just to let you guys know. So basically I kind of already like moisturized, primed, and I added green concealer on my face just to get like any redness out or like any warmness on my face. My face was pretty red because I had tried putting in red contacts in my eyes, but for some reason the right contact was like messing up my eye and it was like irritating it. I couldn't figure out why, so I just decided to do white contacts. Really wanted to go for red, and also I'll be filming a lookbook, a Monster High lookbook as well. That'll be coming in the coming weeks. I'll be doing a few other Monster High characters as well. So yeah, so let's dive into this tutorial already. Okay, so I know she has pink skin, but also I'm kind of going for like a dark Draculaura, like a shadow Draculaura. So I'm just gonna go full on white. I'll be using some white foundation. This is a LA Girl Pro Color Foundation, mixing pigments. I haven't actually used this by itself for foundation. I have mixed it in my other foundations. I also do have a white foundation from the same brand, but I want to try this by itself just to see the difference between the two. Okay, next I'm applying this e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in white. This is just the white concealer, and I really like using it. I think I have to get new bottles soon. It's like almost empty. I use this one quite a bit. I'm applying it to areas I want to brighten up and make lighter. Okay, so next I'm setting the makeup with some white powder. I got this one from Spirit Halloween. I found this one in the Diddless Motos section. They also had some white face powder as well in their makeup section. Okay, so first we're starting off with the eyes, and I'm looking at her little picture, her little cartoon picture. I put it right here, and it looks like she has a cut crease. She has some like really thick eyeliner and thick eyelashes, so I want to incorporate that into the look, obviously. But then also early on Instagram, I saw my Explore feed, Fang Frenzy on Instagram. They posted this, the Real Drama Draculaura that released recently. They did a cosplay of it, and I really liked how they did like bat wings for like the bottom eyeliner, like kind of looks like lashes. I really like that, and I kind of want to incorporate something like that into my look as well. I've done something similar like that before. I posted a picture of myself on Instagram. I'll put a picture right here. I really wanted to do a makeup tutorial for that one. That one is actually a recreation of someone else's look. I don't remember. Yeah, I definitely want to do like a makeup tutorial for that one, because that one's like one of my favorite looks and I really want to recreate it again. Yeah, we're gonna be doing something like that, kind of like Fang Frenzies on Instagram. Not so much an exact copy of that, just want to incorporate that element of it into this look. Just kind of give like that that illusion of like thick lashes, but also like the whole bat wing look. That definitely goes with the whole with Draculaura's like whole aesthetic. So I'll be diving into Hip Dot's My Chemical Romance 3 Cheers to Sweet Revenge makeup palettes. I actually won this one in the giveaway and I wanted to do a video about it. I think I will do one probably after October, after Halloween Madness. I definitely want to film like a whole look with it. I mean, we're going to be using it for today's video, so technically I am now. But anyway, so we're going to be diving into the white shade called Flock of Doves. I really like it, kind of like a little rosary on it. And I'm going to carefully dive in there so I don't ruin the rosary. And basically, I'm going to be applying the shade like all over my eyelid, on my bottom eyelid, like underneath my eye, just to kind of create a base. Next, I'm creating a cut crease. I'll be diving into Pitchfork Red, and I'll be using a little crease brush to be applying it, and then I'll be blending it out with a bigger eyeshadow brush. I'm basically going to be applying it like above my actual crease because I have like really hooded eyes. This is something, a technique that I've always been using for years. I kind of want to start it at the base, like right here at my nose. That's how I've been doing my makeup looks lately, and I really like that look. It's like the whole trad goth look. I like how the makeup basically starts at the nose and just blends out, or like blends downwards. It looks really cool. Kind of want to incorporate that for this look. I want to make my Monster High characters very dramatic. Next, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer to cut the crease, just to make that line more sharper. Okay, so next I'm going to be doing some eyeliner on my eyelid. Basically I'm going to be trying to do a cat eye. I'm using the KVD Vegan Beauty tattoo liner. Haven't used this liner in a very long time. It's also got the original like branding name on it too. I think I got this as part of the free gift like for the birthday from Sephora like years ago, or it came with a gift set. I don't remember. But this is pretty much brand new. And honestly I miss using these. Like the brush is so precise. So I ended up kind of like doing like a little bat wing effect on the eyelid, kind of. I mean, obviously you guys saw that, but I had to switch up eyeliners like on the side because this one dried out. I mean, I hadn't like, used it not very long. Like I haven't actually opened it. Like it's weird because it works on my hand, but on my eyelid it wasn't working. So I'm like, that was weird. That hasn't happened to me before with this eyeliners, but whatever. So now I'm attempting to do like the bat winged eyelashes liner on the bottom. Okay, next thing I'm applying the KVD Vegan Beauty Anti-Precision Lighter on my waterline. Okay, next I'm applying this Milk Heart tattoo stamp onto my face. I know she has a pink one, but I'm just gonna do a black one. Also, this is already heart shaped, so it'll just make it easier for me. And I'm gonna apply it right around there. Cute. Okay, so next I'm doing my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel and Jet, I believe. Yes. Honestly, you're probably not gonna be able to see the brows later with the bangs, but we'll see. Next I'm using the KVD Vegan Beauty Eyeshadow Quad and Smoke. I'll be diving into the gray shade for contour and to sculpt some underneath my cheekbones. I'm applying some white as well. Okay, so next is lips. I'm be lining my lips first using some black eyeliner. Obviously you can use lip liner, but all I have is black eyeliner. Okay, so next I'm applying some red lipstick. This one's a really dark red lipstick. This one is from Dagger Beauty. I'm not sure if I talked about them before in my goth friends. You need to check out videos. I do want to do like a part 3 for that little series I have. I don't know if I've talked about them, but anyways, I finally got my hands on some of them, and I got the dark red. I believe this one's called Lilith, but these are really beautiful, and they apply beautiful. They're kind of, it's like as if they're not there on the lips. Like they're really comfortable to wear. But yeah, I really like this shade of red. It's become one of my favorites. I like to pair with a black lip liner. Okay, so I'm going to be adding on my accessories and everything, and I'll be right back to you guys. Alrighty guys, so I am back. It took me like about an hour, maybe an hour and a half-ish to get everything together, the whole outfit, the hair, everything. That's because I did the bangs ahead of time. The bangs took me a while to do. That's probably why I started so late tonight. Also got some teeth dandies I made out of polymorph beads. Yeah, that's probably why I'm talking a little funny right now, because I had actually applied some Fixodent to the things that would actually stick in my mouth and they don't fall out while I'm talking. but the stuff's very sticky. Kind of got like on my lip over here, so it's like sticking to my lips sticking to my teeth essentially. It feels weird. Yeah, I am so happy how it turned out. I really do look like my favorite Monster High character. Draculaura is actually my first Monster High doll that I ever purchased. I think I was 12 years old when I got the doll, and I ended up collecting a bunch of them throughout the years. And I still do. I still buy them. I get those collector dolls. I got like the Beetlejuice ones, and I got the Dracula one recently. I have videos for both of those dolls on my YouTube channel. Yeah, I am super happy with how it turned out. I was a little scared that the makeup was just gonna be too different dramatic, but honestly I think it's perfect. I think it fits the character, and all I know was black clothing, but I honestly still feel like I resemble the character a lot, even though like all my clothes is black. I know she likes pink, like hot pink a lot, but I mean I got the highlights in, so I think that's enough pink for my outfit. Like honestly, if you have like similar stuff to hers in your closet already, you could probably easily dress up as her for Halloween. I got the highlights off of Shein. I actually found this thing from Goodwill. I'll talk about it in my Halloween haul video. It probably goes up before this video. For the highlights, I believe one pack came with 5. I ended up using all of them, and I got 2 of them. 2 of them I had to use for the bangs. I just clipped them under the bangs. Actually, yeah, also the bangs I got from Shein as well. I cut like the awkward like sideburn hairs that were like here, so I cut them. I'm gonna be doing something else to the bangs anyways, so I didn't really mind cutting them off. And then of course I added the highlights to them and cut them. And also I straightened them a little very quickly because I don't want them to burn because they kind of smell like they were burning. But yeah, I basically got them straightened along with my hair. This little bat necklace is from Shein. I think it was like $2.50 or something. You can't see it now, but I got this like little blood vial necklace. You guys will see it in my Halloween haul video I got from Spirit Halloween. This is like $7. I really like it. The quality is actually pretty nice. And that stuff I already had. Y'all see in my lookbook, my Monster High lookbook is coming up. This mesh top is also from Shein as well. I thought it would look really cute with this look. It would look really cute with Draculaura, and honestly, if it suits her, love it. Yeah, honestly, if you have like Gothic stuff already or like similar stuff to Draculaura in your closet, you can easily cosplay her or dress up as her for Halloween, go to a Halloween party and dress up as her. Easy. And obviously if you follow my makeup tutorial, you look extra cute. Yeah, I am so happy how it turned out. Like every time I look in the mirror I just see Draculaura and I'm like, oh my goodness, I just love being Draculaura so much. I really wish I had my doll. I left it at my grandparents' house so that way it could have it next to me, but yeah, we'll just pretend. I do plan on getting the Real Drama Draculaura. I saw that they sold out online when they released last week. Hopefully Target will start selling them. Apparently they're going to be in stores, so hopefully I can get my hands on one. I really want the Draculaura one. And I might get the G3 Monster High dolls. I might get the Draculaura one. Maybe I'll do a review on them on my channel. If you guys do follow this makeup tutorial, please tag me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. I'm most active on Instagram, so I think that's probably the best place to tag me on. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!